guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make 3 doll swimsuits that can actually be used in water. Just so you know, one swimsuit I know definitely that it works, but the other 2 swimsuits I will be experimenting with them. You can follow along my steps if it turns out well, but the first swimsuit I know that it works. That's just a heads up. Let's just get right into the video. Okay, so the first swimsuit for dolls is this one. This is like a 2-piece swimsuit and it's all made of balloons. This swimsuit only needs a pair of scissors and 2 balloons. That is it. Okay, so I'm gonna make another bathing suit for this doll. I already showed you how to make this top, but I'll say it again because just in case you didn't watch the video of the mermaid tail. I'll leave in the description down below this video that I'm talking about. I'm gonna be using blue and pink balloons. For the top, I will be using this pink balloon. And what I'm gonna do is just cut the tip of the balloon. And then cut the other edge of the balloon. Now I'm gonna put this top to the doll. Ta-da! I am going to make the bottom with this blue balloon, and what I'm gonna do is cut the tip again, and the other edge I'm gonna cut small holes in the corners. Let's see if it fits. And ta-da! I had a little trouble putting it on, but it did work. Anyways, here are the first bathing suits that I made, which are really easy and very inexpensive. Now let's get into the next type of bathing suit. Now, using my recycled old swimsuit. This swimsuit doesn't fit me anymore and it's little, but I can use this material to make a doll swimsuit and a usable mermaid tail. What? Okay, so last time I made a mermaid tail that is just for show and it's not usable underwater, but this one is. First, I think I'm gonna start by cutting the bathing suit in half by the side. So I think I'm going to start by tracing this. I'm gonna sew these 2 parts of the swimsuit together because they accidentally separated all the sides. Okay, I'm done sewing it, but I sewed it a little wrong because I had trouble doing it because it's too small and this material is, I'm not gonna lie, it's very cheap. Now I'm gonna sew it like this. A good side to good side. I'm gonna keep it like this so the legs can go through. Oh, it looks pretty nice. Now I think what I'm gonna do is sew it in the middle here, and then there will be somewhere you can put your legs in. Let's check it out. Pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on the doll. So it's not bad, but actually I'm not happy with this. So I think I will be doing it. I will be popping it more. Okay, this is not what I expected it to be like, but it was a good mistake. Because I need to cut it in half because, I don't know, but I feel like I accidentally made it too small. And because it's elastic, well, it fit and I don't need any Velcro, you know? And I'm pretty happy about it. And it actually looks pretty good because it looks like it was meant to be wrinkled right here. Can you see it? In the camera it looks kinda, but in real life it looks so good. What I did is actually, I didn't sew it here. I actually hot glued it because it was too long. Hot gluing it is easier than sewing it, you know? Yeah, that's how I managed to get the final swimsuit. So the next swimsuit and final swimsuit, I'm going to make this mermaid tail. And I think it will be really easy compared to the other mermaid tail that I did on the previous video. I finally finished. What a workout. So I don't even want to think about how much work I did with that mermaid tail. Let's continue with this other swimsuit. As the other swimsuit that I made, I'm going to sew these two together. The next step I will be doing is sewing it good side to good side. Let's see if it worked. Oh, pretty good. Well, let's see if it turned out well. Did it fit? Again, I think this is working out pretty well because I accidentally made everything of the swimsuit material a little too small for the doll. And that makes it good because I don't need to cut it and put some Velcro. It can fit easily. Now the next thing I have to do is cut a fin out of the material to sew it onto the tail. I'm just gonna trace the tail in a recycled piece of cardboard. Ta-da! I will be tracing it into the fabric and cutting two pieces so I can stack them and put the cardboard in and sew them together and sew it to the tail. All done. Actually put another layer off camera. The final thing to do is sew the tail to the fin. Now let's change the doll into the mermaid tail. Ta-da! It was surprisingly really easy to put it on the doll. And look, it is usable underwater. I cannot believe it. And it's a two-piece look. You can use it with this bathing suit. You can use it with this balloon top. Or you can make another crop top for this mermaid tail. Now you learned ways to do your very own doll swimsuits that can be used with water. It is actually pretty convenient because you don't need to spend a lot of money on these swimsuits and you'll have tons of fun doing it. Promise. Pinky promise. That's everything for this video, but I hope you guys liked it and enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification button so you can get notified anytime I post a new video. That's everything for this video, but I'll see you next time. Bye!